Okay, my name is Abdul Shajeer. I represent a team of 50 plus passionate engineers. The expertise, the passion, the commitment is the key to our delivery. More close. Some of them are sitting around. My team is here. Our family is Wahni IT Solutions. We operate in 3 countries and we serve ERPNext up to 5 countries and more than 100 plus clients we have. At Wahni, we always focus on delivery with something better. Over a period of time, we have came with some industry-specific delivery solutions. We have a very good delivery model in manufacturing sectors. I would like to list few. We are very good in aluminum extrusion manufacturing sector, plastic extrusion, and FRP doors, fabrications, paint productions, herbs and threads manufacturing. Also, we have a very good delivery model in distribution sectors like FMCG and retail industries. Can you go to the next one? Yeah. Mr. Saumyaseelan is an exceptional colleague working with me from around 6 years from now. And he is a very professional and deep passionate on part of delivery. He have experience of around, I believe, 80 plus ERPNext implementation and successfully. We've been working together from a couple of Middle East projects. Then back in India, we have an office in Qatar as well. Right now, the division which Saumyaseelan is heading is in India, and it's a listed partner, and we are heading towards a silver partner. And this is a small brief about myself, Abdul Shajeer. I'm very passionate about sales and marketing. I've been into this industry from from 2018, and I have implemented ERPNext in Middle East for around 60 plus customers. I've been maintaining a very good relationship with a lot of customers, and my ethics is always manage customers and keep them a good delivery model. Just a minute. Today with a team of around 40 plus certified ERPNext engineers, we Wahni IT Solutions have implemented 100 plus ERPNext implementation from India, from UAE, from Qatar and other Middle East areas. So now I would like to hand over to my delivery champion, Mr. Saumyaseelan.
Hi. Hello. Okay. Thank you, Shajeer, for the wonderful introduction. Saumyaseelan here from Wahni IT Solutions, and I'm very happy to be a part of this beautiful event. This is my 3rd conference and marks 8th year working with ERPNext. Today, we are showing you some of the customizations we have done for our clients that helps them to increase their productivity and efficiency. Let me start with a real-world example on how the ERPNext streamline or tackled a significant challenge in order management. For our client, they are into the FRP door manufacturing. So they have around 60 plus door models available, each with endless customizations options like, apart from the model, the color, frame color, latch, the door color extra. Now, these combination resulted around 50,000 plus possible item combinations. Now, in ERPNext, we already have the features like the template and variant creation. So when you are creating a template, you will be able to select the attributes. You can define the attributes, and based on that, the variant can be created. and these variants can be selected during the sales order process, or in the invoice or any transaction you can select the variant. But for that you have to create the variants upfront. But here the client, they don't want to create the variants upfront because they don't know whether the customer will be opting for that particular combination or whether it is required or not. So what we have done is, like, we will show you in the next video. So here this is a video. So what the user will be doing is, like, they will be selecting that particular model. Then they will select the color, the latch, keylog, or so based on the model, the system will be showing the attributes. And once they selected all the, like, including the width, frame, the bottom width, everything. And once they, in the below, you can see an option called add item. When the user click on the add item, if the variant is not if it is not there, system will be automatically creating the variant. Or if the variant is already available, system will select that particular variant. This, so previously the particular client, they took around 4 to 5 hours just to complete the order processing. Now they will be able to complete this within an hour. And also the production team, they are getting the exact details, what are the dimensions, everything they are getting along with the production order form. We have already also implemented the manufacturing module for this particular client. So they are completely using it. Now, using the, like, one of the advantage the company or the client got is, like, previously the sales team was calling the head office or the production team to know about the progress or what is the stage or what is the manufacturing stage of that particular order. Now, without that, the sales team will be able to check the progress, when it can be delivered, how many order items are completed. They will be able to see in the ERPNext itself. So this shows how the ERPNext help the clients to streamline the order process. Now the next feature is we have customized for the FMCG industries. As you know, like, the pricing scheme or the promotional schemes, they play a vital role in the FMCG industries. So, and ERPNext already have the feature for that. But one of our clients have a complex scheme structure. For example, they have an item called a chili powder. So chili powder comes in multiple packages like 250 gram, 500 gram, or 1 kilo. Now, if the customer, when they are doing it, when they are doing the order, if the customer selects 2 kilo of 250 gram and 2 kilo of 500 gram or 1 kilo, when they say, after that, once the total chili powder reaches the 5 quantity, there is a scheme called, for example, they are eligible for free quantities. The issue is that the free quantities can be a chili powder or a coriander powder or some other item, or it can be both of the combinations. Also, like, the chili powder is in a item group called spices. Now, if the customer orders 20 kilo or 10 kilo of the total spices, then they will get an additional discount, like a price discount or a percentage discount. So here you can see how we will tackle that. So once all the items are selected, here you can see system will show the available schemes. So what are the schemes available to that particular order? Now you can see the free quantity is 2 quantity. Now the salesperson can select what are the free quantities available or applicable. And based on that, they will apply that particular scheme. Now once they click on the apply, the order form will get refreshed, and then system will be showing whatever the scheme spending. It will remove the already selected item. So only one scheme will be applied for that particular, one scheme will be applied to one item. Now here the salesperson can select the best possible deal for the customer, and the chances of manual errors are completely removed. Also, this makes the process smoother and easier. As a company, Wahni is mainly focusing on implementing ERPNext for manufacturing, trading, and distribution industries. And one of the key challenges or the issues these companies are facing is on the logistic management. because the freight cost impact the operations very much. These companies are having multiple vehicles with different sizes and capacities. And if the vehicle allocation is not fully optimized, they face the issues like underutilized vehicle spaces or excessive fuel expenses and delayed deliveries. We addresses these challenges by streamlining the vehicle allocation process, and here we will show the same. So once all the sales orders are submitted, the logistic team can select the orders based on the route. It will show the pending orders related to that particular route or territory. And when they select each order, system will be showing the total weight quantity of each order, and then it will show the total weight and volume to be dispatched that particular route. And these details, then it will be passed to the store team. They will reserve the stock based on the stock availability, and then that will be passed to the logistic team. Now, the logistic team, then they will, based on the vehicle availability and based on the capacity and driver availability, they will confirm the details and they will submit the vehicle allocation. Once the vehicle allocation document is submitted, sales invoices will be generated automatically in the ERPNext. Now, as you know, most of these invoices, they require the e-way bill for the delivery. And in the current process, the driver details or the vehicle details has to be updated in each of the invoices. But by automating the vehicle allocation process, all the driver details or the vehicle details will be fetched automatically in these invoices. And this make the process smoother and easier. Also, the delivery team, they will get the details of the invoices to be delivered along with the driver and vehicle details. And this ensures that deliveries will be fulfilled efficiently. This systematic approach in ERPNext ensures that vehicle capacity is fully utilized, the delivery routes are optimized, and freight costs are reduced. Ultimately, this enhances the operational efficiency. Now, I would like to introduce a product called DISA, Day-to-Day Information for Sales Advancements. DISA is developed in Flutter and it is fully integrated with ERPNext. DISA is mainly using by the companies who have the primary sales and the secondary sales. Primary sales is the direct sales from the customers, and the secondary or the shop sales are sales managed by the distributors but handled by the company executives. There are a lot of features for DISA, like one is that you will be able to compare the order location with the customer location. This ensures that the sales team, they are visiting each shop on that particular date and takes the order. Also, the sales team can collect the payments directly through the app to make the entire sales process easier. Salesperson can, like the same schemes, promotional scheme customization, the same way in the DISA also, the salesperson will be able to select or deselect the pricing rules. Also, like another unique feature we have done is like the sales team, they can take the order in multiple unit of measurement, such as kilo, packet, or numbers. And once the order is placed, it will be converted to the sales UOM. So that gives the flexibility for the sales team and the customer to place on the order processing. DISA will work offline too. So the salespeople can take the orders without an internet connection, and it will be synced to ERPNext in real time. And so this ensures that the smooth operations regardless of network availability. Also, the salespeople can manage their expense claim and leave everything directly in the mobile app itself. So that's from me. Now, and thank you, Frappe, for this particular opportunity. Now I will be handing over to Shajeer to give the updates on the NEUPOS.
Hello. Yeah. So, hello. Yeah. Last not but least, we are very excited to announce the launching of our product NEUPOS, which is an incubated project which is developed by Wahni and supported by Frappe. And NEUPOS if the procurement and everything happens in ERPNext and the stock is transferred to the NEUPOS, it works synced, it gets synced automatically and NEUPOS works offline, so it is seamlessly helping these retail industries. Yeah, I'll just go through some slides of NEUPOS. This is how our product looks. So that's a talk for today. Thank you so much for this event, Frappe and community. At Wahni, it's very mandatory for our team to contribute to the community. And we have published all these features in GitHub. If anyone want to collaboratively work with us, please get in touch with us. We are always there for collaborations. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful day. Thank you all. Any questions, please?
Any questions?
Hello.
Yes.
So can you give us an idea when the POS is used and it's not connected to the internet and concurrently a lot of people are doing billing and there is a change in the stock and when it's connected to the database, main database, and the stock changes like now customer is facing a stock out, then how do you tackle that situation?
Daniel, you want to quickly answer this? This is our CTO.
So basically, what we're going to assume is that since it is going to be in a retail space, whatever is being sold out is something that is bought by the customer in real time.
Say it again.
So since this is a POS solution, we're going to assume this is a kind of a retail sale. So whatever you're punching in is already bought by the customer. That means there was stock. So this scenario will not happen.
Great question. Thanks for explaining.
Hello, my name is Ajit Pradhan. I think in your initial presentation of order management, you presented very nicely about the capturing of variants and attributes and fields. So would like to know, was it a configuration done for distributor or it was linked with manufacturing and then until the end of up to the billing stage, capturing pricing and then passing on to manufacturing?
So basically, that was a customization that was done on the sales order part. So the salesperson, so this particular company does not keep inventory. They don't keep inventory. So
Did not get you?
they don't keep stock with them.
Okay.
So whenever there is an order, they manufacture. So because of that, they didn't want to keep or they didn't want to make all the variants and store in the system. And since they had around more than 50,000 SKUs based on the combination, it was hard for the salesperson to remember everything. So we did a customization on the sales order part. So whenever they're taking the order, they select all the attributes, they select the model and they select the attribute. System automatically creates the variant if it does not exist. And if it is already existing, system will map or take the variant and put it in the order. Now from the order, when we create the work order, system will automatically capture that variant. We had another customization on the BOM as well, where we kept BOM for the template. So irrespective of whichever variant you take, there is a certain set of components that are common for all the variants. So BOM is also automated based on the template and the rest of the process flows as it is.
That is very nice. That means I can say it is integrated with manufacturing.
Yes,
It is a
correct.
make to order scenario, right?
Correct, correct.
Second point, as per your captured variants, attributes, all everything, pricing is captured based on that, the schemes which you shown.
Okay. So the pricing, the company had actually set pricing based on templates,
Based on?
based on the template item. So more or less there is change based on the area of the door. So we had a customization where we take a matrix of the template code and then we look at the area because the salesperson also inputs the bottom length, height and all of the door and we calculate the price and put it in the sales order.
I'm not talking about the area specific or anything. I'm basically talking about the attribute value specific, variants and attribute specific. Because if a car I select for metallic red color, price can be different. Price can be different for black color car.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this particular case, it is based on the area, but in your case, we can also change the price based on the attribute. Yeah, that can be done. Yeah.
Thank you for asking the question, and thanks, Team Wahini, for a wonderful talk.